Hi, Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. Just want to talk to you today about these 25 FK 2018 Jayco White Hawk. It's at a great buy right now, position in the season where 18s are sitting right next to 19s, so you can walk away with this one without a song. You have a big LP tanks in the front, 7 gallons. And you have a really huge window in the front. It's a little bit of a rarity to actually find something like that. So it creates a lot of light inside, and we're gonna see how special it makes this place when we go inside. First, just wanna walk around and show you some of the features here. So you have a lot of storage, exterior storage. This is underneath your slide out. And so what you have here is you actually have spaces where you can store things from the inside or the outside. You have access to them from both sides as well. You have 25-foot plus floor plan, so a lot of length here and a lot of space inside. You have a roof ladder off the rear, which makes it easier to get up there and check your seals and make sure that roof is actually staying good for you as well. An exterior shower if you're at the beach, making sure you're not tracking any of that sand in at the same time. You come over from the exterior shower. One of the great features of this coach as well is that you have a nice outdoor kitchen here as well. It's right underneath this enormous awning that spans really most of the length of this trailer. You have a 2-burner stove out here, as well as a kicker fridge, an electric fridge right there, and a sink in the exterior. That couples really nicely with these exterior speakers. And then we can head inside and see what makes the 25 FK special. One of the things about this guy is the front kitchen, an enormous amount of counter space and storage for kitchen gear. If you are looking to store a lot of things and bring a lot of stuff along for an extended period of time, this is the place to do it in. Your stove, and your microwave, and your oven, really nice big refrigerator with your freezer. A nice big freezer there as well. Like I said, this is meant for a lot of entertaining, a lot of longer trips as well. And it's a really nice position of the television as well, so it's not kind of interrupting the spaces with the kitchen as well. So you have a U-shaped dinette. I always like to see U-shaped dinettes. They seat a lot more. It's easier to get in and out, especially when you don't have your table pegged in. This table can act as extra counter space, can be brought outside as well, and that could always convert into a bed, and when they convert into beds, they're always bigger than a booth dinette too. So let's head towards the rear. You have a really big space for your bathroom. You have a solid-sided booth shower, which is really nice, and enough room in there to actually shower and dry off without throwing elbows at the walls, which makes it really, really nice. And I mentioned that front window already, but we have in the rear is an east-west bed too. So your bed is in the rear, and you have tons of windows back here. It makes it really, really bright, and when you've taken all that time to get somewhere you wanted to be, when you're sleeping and when you're in bed, you actually have a view out where you've taken the time to get to, and when you're dining in the front, you also have a view out there as well. If you have any more questions about this White Hawk 25 FK, give me a call, 773-655-7190, or stop by Junction City and say hello.